Okay, this is the solution to practice fit exercise 3.4 print square. And these instructions are not declared. So basically what it's saying is you're going to get a minimum value and a maximum value, and you're going to have um, a certain number of lines, and I'll explain how many there are later. And so for the first line, you're going to do from the first value to the last value inclusive. You're going to print that out in a line. Then you're going to go to the next line, and the next line is going to be the same thing, except you start from the minimum from the last starting number, which is 1 plus 1, so 2, and then you go up to the maximum again, inclusive, and then once you reach that, you will start again from the minimum, and you'll keep going until you reach the length limit, and then you'll keep going. You'll do it over and over again until the starting value here is the max value, and then you stop there. And basically, the approach that I took for this problem was just having a variable to store what the current starting value was, um, and then going continually through that. With this one, you'll see this for loop here. This is to print out from the new starting value up to the maximum value. And then this statement here is to print out all of the extra values when you restart the, I guess you could call it the cycle. And then that is to print out. So for this statement, this would be printed by this, and this would be printed by this. And then you add println at the end to make sure you enter to the next line. And then if you see, submit this, this will be correct.